Are bees valuable to humans? If so, how valuable are bees to the humans? While the bee is popular for its sting and honey, its extinction is a threat to humanity. Why are bees important, and can we save bees from extinction? The extinction of bees would have major consequences for the planet, including ecosystem disruption. The loss of bees would cause plants to die off, which could alter food webs and habitats. This could lead to additional extinctions or declines of other organisms. The extinction of bees would have major consequences for the planet, including human population stability. The stability of human populations largely depends on the stability of bee populations.